The recording is on. You are live now.
Start now?
Yes, sir. Please.
If the quorum is complete, let's start.
Yeah, more than 50, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all for the 33rd Annual General Meeting of Astra Microwave Products Limited and appreciate your interest in being with us today. The 33rd AGM of the company is being held using video conference or other audiovisual means mode pursuant to the directions of the Minister of Corporate Affairs and Securities Exchange Board of India. I would like to take you through certain points regarding the participation at this meeting. The facility of joining the AGM through video conference or other audiovisual means is being made available for members on first come first served basis. To avoid any background noise and to ensure smooth conduct of the meeting, all the members who have joined this meeting will be placed on mute board by the host. Once the question and answer session starts, I will announce the names of the shareholders who have registered as speaker shareholder. Subsequently, they will be unmuted by the host. The speaker shareholders are advised to put video on while speaking. If speaker shareholders fail to speak using video mode, he may speak using audio mode with earphones on. If there is any connectivity problem at speaker's end, we would ask other speakers to join. We would like to request shareholders to kindly restrict their speech to 3 to 4 minutes. During the proceedings of the AGM, if a member faces any issue, he may contact the helpline number mentioned in the notice of the AGM. The company has taken requisite steps to allow members to cast their votes on items being considered at this AGM. Since there is no physical attendance of members, the appointment of proxy is not applicable. The registers as required under Companies Act 2013 are open for inspection. Members who have not voted using remote e-voting can cast their vote in the CDSL e-voting webpage. I take the privilege in welcoming our Chairman Dr. Avinash Chandra, Managing Director Mr. S. Gurunath Reddy, Joint Managing Director Dr. N.V. Reddy, Mr. Atim Kabra, Director Strategy and Business Development, Mrs. Kiran Dhingra, Independent Director, Mr. P. A. Chitrakar, Non-Executive Director, Mr. Suresh Kumar Somani, Non-Executive Director, and Mr. S. Varadarajan, Independent Director, to this 33rd AGM through video conference mode. I also welcome our CFO, Mr. Banerjee Mallampati, Starter Auditor, Mr. Pranav, and the Secretary Auditor, Mr. L.D. Reddy, to this AGM through video conference mode. May I now request Dr. Avinash Chandra, Chairman of the company, to conduct proceedings of the meeting.
Thank you, Mr. Anjaneyulu. Good afternoon, all shareholders. I feel privileged to welcome you all to the 33rd AGM of your company. In view of the presence of requisite quorum, I call this meeting to order. Thank you all directors and all the key executives of the company attending the meeting. I thank all the shareholders and members for joining this meeting. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. We are conducting today's meeting through video conference mode pursuant to the directions of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Securities Exchange Board of India. The live streaming of this meeting is also being webcast on CDSL platform. With the permission of the members, I take the notice of the 33rd AGM as read. With the permission of the members, I take the statutory auditor's report and secretarial auditor report as read, as the report of statutory auditors and the secretarial auditors were unqualified and without any adverse observations or comments in their respective reports. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome you again to the 33rd Annual General Meeting of Astra Microwave Products Limited. It's a pleasure to connect with all of you again, although virtually. On behalf of Astra Board of Directors, I want to thank you for taking your time out to join us today. Your support and confidence in us enabled our team to look for more ways to do more and create greater value. Results of operations, we are delighted to share with you that the financial year 24 has been an excellent year for the company, as we have grown exponentially in multiple parameters, including financial performance, developing capabilities and improving quality of product mix. we have registered our highest ever financial performance across all metrics: revenue, EBITDA, profit after tax. We have also witnessed good margin expansion driven by improvement in the sales mix. This performance is in line with our expectations and guidance. The company reported creditable profitability during the year under review. BIT margin strengthened 304 BPS to 18.68%, which was a reflection of an improvement in volumes, economies, working capital management, and larger proportion of value-added products. Return on capital employed was an attractive 15.85%. ROE stood at 13.93% for the year gone by. The company protected the overall integrity of its balance sheet while reporting good record financials. The average cost of gross debt was 8.64%, while the company generated a high return on equity. The overall improvement in the health of the business was the result of various long-term priorities, enhanced economies of scale through progressive investments in manufacturing capacity, increased technology use, and continuing working capital management discipline. Your company has also achieved good order booking performance during the year, which stands at rupees 1,956 crores at the end of the year. And order win continues to be healthy. Major order booking is from domestic defense segment, and within this, good number of orders are booked in radars, electronic warfare segment, defense communications electronics, followed by meteorology and hydrology. R&D is our cornerstone of our growth, and this year we have spent close to about rupees 38 crores in R&D, which was focused mainly on radar systems, critical subsystems for radar, seekers, solid-state power amplifiers, and electronic warfare subsystems. As you are aware, your company has incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary, Astra Space Technologies Private Limited, to undertake space-related business and has started recruiting personnel and setting up business infrastructure for satellite integration at its Bangalore facility. The objective is to get qualified for satellite integration and launching business. In this endeavor, it's preparing itself to launch its own basic satellite in the next 2 years to 3 years. It will carry a synthetic aperture radar payload developed by your company based on TOT from ISRO. We are indeed excited by the set of opportunities that we see. Also excited to partner with the defense labs and the defense PSUs under whose tutelage we have blossomed and have reached the stage where we are developing our own new exciting products and have emerged as a systems level entity with systems integration capabilities. The board of your directors of your company recommend a final dividend at 100%. Previous year was 80% on the paid up equity share capital of the company. That is rupees 2 per equity share on face value of rupees 2 each for the financial year ended 31st March 2024. Business highlights and business prospects. Major product deliveries made during the year were with strong R&D capabilities built over 3 decades. We have delivered products with cutting-edge technology for defense and aerospace applications. To name a few, we are the first company to deliver AAAU for Uttam radar, being developed by DRDO, ESA seeker head, high-power SSPA in high-frequency bands, digital multi-channel RF SoC-based transceivers for naval-based radar being developed by DRDO. We have also successfully executed PPTR, which is unique for a private sector company. We feel proud to announce that we developed a Doppler weather radar in various frequency bands in FY24. We have booked rupees 1,323 crore standalone including single largest domestic order of the value rupees 327 crores to supply radar subsystems to DPSU. Business prospects. The coming year is likely to be a landmark for your company when we deliver a number of integrated hardware and system level products. This should empower us to cross revenue of rupees 1,000 crores. Outlook for the product delivery during 2024-25. Company is expected to supply following critical subsystems and systems during the year: photonics radar subsystems, submarine communication subsystems, and systems like active protection system radar, etc. Expansion programs. The company will continue to look at organic and inorganic options to stabilize top line performance, as present business is project driven and hence lumpy in nature. To augment present operations, we have budgeted to spend capital expenditure of about 75 crores, which will be funded through internal accruals and term loans. Joint venture and subsidiary companies. Astra Rafael Comsys Private Limited, ARC, a JV company. It was a breakout year for ARC, which we have been waiting for some time, and its bottom line has improved in a big way. For the year ended, it has bagged close to about rupees 386 crores of orders and has a healthy order book of about Indian rupees 456 crores at end of the year. There's a potential to bag big orders in next couple of years to the extent of about rupees 900 crores, and will record at least about 10% to 15% year-on-year growth in the next few years, with a PBT of around 10 to 15%. As you are aware, Astra owns 50% of this JV company and has earned about Indian rupees 12 crores of profit as its share from the JV company for the year gone by. SDR backpack radio, which is under development at the JVC under NCNC basis, is due for final technical trials in the next couple of months, and the company is gearing up for the same. Messrs. ADS Semiconductor Singapore, wholly owned subsidiaries engaged in design and development of MMICs, it's doing well on technology front and reported about 0.57 crores of revenues for the year. There's Bhavya Bhanu Electronics, wholly owned subsidiary, which was set up for meeting captive consumption of AMPL, has reported rupees 48.46 crores of revenues for the year. Both the subsidiaries are in good shape and expected to do well in coming years. I would like to conclude by saying that your company has delivered excellent performance during the year, and coming years are promising. Thank you. Now I request Mr. T. Anjaneyulu, Company Secretary, to read out the resolutions in the notice.
Thank you, sir. Ordinary business item number 1, to receive, consider and adopt the audited standalone financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2024, together with the report of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon, and the audited consolidated financial statements of the company for the financial year ended March 31, 2024. Item number 2, to confirm the dividend of rupees 2, that is 100% on face value per equity share, to the shareholders for the financial year ended March 31, 2024. Item number 3, to appoint a director in place of Mr. S. Gurunath Reddy, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment to the office of director. Item number 4, to appoint a director in place of Mr. Atim Kabra, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment to the office of director. Special business item number 5, ratification of remuneration to the cost auditors for the financial year ended 24-25. Item number 6, payment of commission to non-executive directors of the company for a period of 5 years. Item number 7, revision in remuneration of Mr. Atim Kabra, whole-time director designated as Director Strategy and Business Development of the company. Item number 8, approval of material related party transaction with Astra Rafael Councils Private Limited, joint venture company. Further, I would like to inform you that pursuant to the provisions of Section 108 of the Companies Act 2013, read with Companies Management and Administration Rules 2014, the company has extended e-voting facility to its members in respect of all the business to be transacted at the 33rd AGM of the company. The e-voting commenced on Monday, August 26, 2024 from 9:30 a.m. and ends on Thursday, August 29, 2024 at 5 p.m. The facility of e-voting to those shareholders who have not cast their vote using remote e-voting is also available. Members may cast their vote simultaneously while watching the proceedings of this meeting on the CDSL e-voting webpage. The company has appointed Mr. L.D. Reddy, practicing company secretary, as scrutinizer to scrutinize the votes cast at the remote e-voting process and the e-voting process during AGM in a fair and transparent manner. This AGM is being held through video conference, other audio-visual means, and the resolution mentioned in the notice convening this AGM have been already put to vote through remote e-voting and through e-voting during this AGM. Question and answer session. Chairman, sir.
Now I'll take questions and invite speakers. I would like to request that shareholders kindly limit their remarks to 3 to 4 minutes. I would like to inform that after completion of queries of all the shareholders, MD and JMD will respond to the queries raised by the shareholders. So, let us contact Mr. Praful Chawda.
Mr. Praful Chawda.
Chawda, please unmute yourself.
आवाज आ रही है सर?
Yes, sir, please.
चेयरमैन सर, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, मेरे साथी शोल्डर्स। चेयरमैन सर, आपकी स्पीच में आपने ज़्यादातर बहुत सी बात कवर कर ली है। सो और एजीएम रिपोर्ट जो कंपनी सेक्रेटरीट डिपार्टमेंट ने बनाया है, इसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है और शॉर्ट में भी अच्छा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है, तो सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। सर, दोस्तों मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि रेवेन्यू 900 के ऊपर हो गया है, तो चेयरमैन स्पीच में भी कुछ 1000 बोले ऐसा मैं सुना हूँ, तो क्या नेक्स्ट ईयर 1000 करोड़ का टर्नओवर पक्का हो जाएगा? इसके बारे में बताएंगे। इस तरह फर्स्ट टाइम शायद मेरे ख्याल से नेट प्रॉफिट 112 लाख रुपीस हुआ है, तो अभी फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ ऐसा मैं मानता हूँ। तो प्रॉफिट इतना हुआ, इसके लिए मैं 3 फिगर में प्रॉफिट आया, इसलिए बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर को, एम्प्लॉयज को, सबको धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि आपने जो कार्य कराया हिसाब से अपने को बेनिफिट मिल रहा है। सर, ये चंद्रयान गया था, तो चंद्रयान में अपना कौन सा प्रोडक्ट यूज हुआ था या नहीं हुआ था? अपने चंद्रयान गया तो इसमें कितना रेवेन्यू मिला, इसके बारे में कुछ जानकारी तो बताएंगे। अभी न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स कौन सा आ रहा है, और जो प्रोडक्ट्स आप लाते हैं तो ऑर्डर के ऊपर लाते हैं या प्रोडक्ट्स बना के मार्केटिंग होती है, इसके बारे में बताएंगे। फिलहाल सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और आप लोग अच्छा काम करते हैं, हमको अच्छा रिटर्न मिल रहा है, तो मैं बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर को सबको धन्यवाद देता हूँ और पूरा लेसन को सपोर्ट करता हूँ। आने वाले फेस्टिवल की शुभकामना। धन्यवाद सर।
Thank you, Mr. Praful Chawda. Now I request Mr. Bharat Shah.
Bharat Shah, please unmute yourself. Bharat Shah, please unmute yourself. Bharat Shah? Sir, no response.
Okay, sir, we can move to next shareholder. Mr. Badri Vishal Bajaj.
Bajaj, please unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, Chairman sir. This is very old company where I am also associated along with Mr. Malla Reddy, Madam Chitrakar, DLRL Association, and being in ACIL and in microwave division. So I appreciate and always I am with Astra Microwave, and really I appreciate that your wings are going and space is not sufficient to expand in all the segments of defense area. Let it be telecom, meteorology, space. Your expertise in RF and microwave is appreciated, and Gurunath Reddy sir's technology is always with us. So your YOI means last year to this year, ending 31st March 24, your growth is very good, 11% revenue up, your margins are almost 32% up, and you are keeping the shareholders always happy, as your CAGR for the past 5 years is above 100%. So for all these things, the team led by Avinash sir is commendable, and I wish you take it to new heights. Sir, only two things are there, two questions are there. One is your equity is very small, hardly 14 per crore, and results are almost nearing 950 crores. So there is some chance to consider and benefit the shareholders, maybe minority shareholders. That is one thing. Second one is, sir, I've seen FY Q1 25, the revenue growth and margin is low compared to Q1Q. But if I go to the complete June 23, June 22, always I see first quarter we have less revenue and margin, maybe because of central government allocation of funds and receipt of funds. So I understand this, but anyway, your year on year is always better, and keep it up. My support to you in all the angles, sir. Thank you very much, team Astra Microwave, and Anjanelu sir, who has always supported me for all the queries as a shareholder. Thank you, sir. Good day.
Thank you, Mr. Bajaj. Now I request Mr. Prakashni G. Shanai.
Just a minute. Not available.
Okay.
One
next
second,
question.
Praveen. Please check. The Ganesha Shena is there. Whether the same person or please check.
No, Prakashni G. Shanai.
Ah. Is same or not? First confirm.
G may be Ganesha, na?
Yeah, probably.
Hello, sir. It is the same person, sir.
Because
okay,
madam,
madam.
your name is appearing as Ganesha
Yes.
Shena.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why.
It is joint, sir. Joint.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
I'm Prakashini Ganesha Chenoy, joint with Ganesh Lakshman Chenoy. I'm speaking from Mangalore. Respected Honorable Chairman, other dignitaries on the board, and my fellow shareholders, good afternoon to all of you. I received the AGM report well in time, which is colorful, transparent, knowledgeable, informative, and contains all the information as per the corporate governance. I thank Mr. Anjaneyulu, the company secretary, and his team for the same. The chairman has given a beautiful picture regarding the company and its working in all parameters. Thank you, Chairman, sir. I'm glad to note that the company has done outstanding work in the field of CSR during the year. At the outset, I'm thankful to the board for recommending dividend for the financial year 23-24. And I congratulate one and all for receiving various awards. I am also very glad to note that the company has done robust performance when compared to the last year in respect of revenue, PBT, PAT, etc., etc. I am also glad to note that the company has best orders from defense. I am very much delighted for the same. Sir, I have few questions. My first question is, what is the roadmap for next 5 years and capex thereof? And my next question is, kindly, what is the future plan of the company? And last question is, kindly highlight the future roadmap for growth and risk in business due to global situations. Chairman, sir, last but not the least, I request you personally to please continue with VC so that people all over will have an opportunity to express their views. For instance, I am from Bombay and I've just come to Mangalore. It's just because it is VC, I'm able to express my views. I wish the company good luck for a bright future and pray God that the profit of the company shall reach the peak in due course. Sir, I strongly and wholeheartedly support all the resolutions put forth in today's meeting. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Thank you, madam. Next speaker is Mr. Srikanth Jawar.
Srikanth Jawar, please unmute yourself.
सर मेरा आवाज आ रहा है सर?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
थैंक यू प्रवीण सर एंड शिव प्रसाद सर फॉर गिविंग अपॉर्चुनिटी, और आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जो आज जो कोविड के बाद जो अपने वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग और आपका बहुत सहयोग और हमको बहुत कोऑपरेट करते हैं, तो मैं आपके पूरी टीम को धन्यवाद करता हूं सबसे पहले। और रेस्पेक्टेड चेयरमैन, ऑल आवर बोर्ड डायरेक्टर्स, गुड आफ्टरनून। मेरा नाम श्रीकांत झवर फ्रॉम हैदराबाद। आपकी जो ये वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग हो रहा है, इसी तरह वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग लगेगा सर। आपके चेयरमैन इसमें जो बताया कि 1000 करोड़ का ऑर्डर, तो उसमें फॉरेन कंट्री से अपने को कितना ऑर्डर है सर, और विच कंट्री? क्योंकि जहां तक मेरा नॉलेज है, रशिया इज द बिगेस्ट इन डिफेंस, सो उसके बारे में थोड़ा जानकारी दीजिएगा। और दूसरा कंट्री से कौन सा अपना है? और ऑलमोस्ट हैदराबाद एवरी डिफेंस कंपनी हैज क्रिएटेड द वेल्थ ऑफ द स्मॉल investor, that Premier Explorer, Astra, all things, Astra, BDL, अपोलो, मैग्रो, आपके पूरा डिफेंस का जितना भी हैदराबाद की कंपनी है, पूरा हमारा छोटे शेयर होल्डर का वेल्थ क्रिएट हुआ है। और लास्ट टाइम हमने एजीएम के टाइम पे अपना शेयर प्राइस 400 रुपीज था, तो ऑलमोस्ट 200 टाइम हमारे शेयर प्राइस में भी अच्छा रिटर्न मिला, तो मैं उसका पूरा धन्यवाद। और आपका एक रेजोल्यूशन है सर रिलेटेड पार्टी ट्रांजेक्शन, उसके बारे में थोड़ा जानकारी दीजिए। और मैं साथ में हमारे सेक्रेटरी कंपनी सेक्रेटरी अंजल रेड्डी सर और हमारे स्क्रूटाइजर एलडी रेड्डी साहब को भी नमस्ते, जो हमारे को हर चीज का सर्विस और जो भी मेल के थ्रू हमारा जो मेल भिजाते हैं हम उसका रिस्पांस हमको टाइम पे मिलता है। तो मैं सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट और स्क्रूटाइजर को भी मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और इसी तरह वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग रखी है सर, और आते सो दशहरे दीपावली की भी शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you, Mr. Srikanth. The next speaker is Mr. Kamal Kishore Jawar.
Could you please unmute?
सर
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हेलो,
Please go ahead.
ओके, थैंक यू। हमारे फाउंडर मल्ला रेड्डी साहब, आज जो कंपनी फाउंडर में आज ये कंपनी किधर का किधर चले गया सर। मैं फाउंडर मल्ला रेड्डी है, जब से इस कंपनी में शेयर रूम, और हमारे जब साथ में गुरुनाथ रेड्डी साहब आज जो एक कंपनी को इतना डेवलपमेंट करके ले गए हैं, कितना गुना हमको रिटर्न मिला है। स्मॉल इन्वेस्टर को जितना तारीफ करे उतना कम है। और सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट का सर्विस अच्छा है सर। हम मेल पे बैलेंस शीट के वास्ते बोले थे, हमारे को नेक्स्ट ईयर बैलेंस शीट मिल गया। सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट का टीम बहुत अच्छा सर्विस है। और मैं ज़्यादा कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ साहब, चेयरमैन इसमें ने पूरा ऑल डिटेल बता दिए। और अपना जो शेयर प्राइस भी इतना अभी 900 के ऊपर है, तो उसमें बहुत अच्छा रिटर्न मिला था। वो भी 2 रुपीज पेडअप के शेयर, जब हमारे पास 10 रुपीज पेडअप थे, कितने के बच्चे हो गए उसके, तो उसमें मिला है, तो बहुत इंक्लूडिंग हमको बहुत अच्छा रिटर्न मिला है। और आपसे तो पूरे फेस्टिवल की शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ सर। और इसी तरह वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस रखिए, हम कहीं भी अगर अभी एनेदर इज मीटिंग करें, हम अलग प्लेस में है, तो वहाँ भी हम रह के मीटिंग अटेंड कर सकते हैं। जैसे आपके कोई डायरेक्टर अब्रॉड में है, कोई शेयर होल्डर कलकत्ता, बॉम्बे, दिल्ली, मतलब उन भी मीटिंग अटेंड कर सकते हैं। is a every year is the video conference best और सर हमारे गुरुनाथ रेड्डी साहब आपको नमस्कार थैंक यू सर
Thank you, Kamal Kishore. Now I request Mr. Afzal.
Afzal Ali, please unmute yourself.
Hello, you can hear me?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah, good afternoon, my director and my MD sir. I am very happy I am the shareholder of this company. Thank you, engineer sir, even link an annual report at before time. In my opinion, the perfect year to my company is engineer sir because he will do his work before time only, not pending. I am seeing this annual report. Profit since 5 years is increasing, sir, and share price also is increasing. No doubt, our share is going very well, and the annual report is so beautiful. I can't tell you. But in this annual report, I am missing some names, sir. I want to tell you, sir. Every person is seeing in the annual report, sir. The chairman, sir, MD, sir, and independent director, sir. I am missing CFO, sir, name and company secretary name, sir. Please rectify their names also, sir. Please note down their names. He is not showing in the front page. And the dividend history. Since 7 years, I am observing dividend is increasing every year, sir. 20%, 12%, 30%. Now it is 80%, sir. It is very good. Dividend also is increasing, sir. Our share price is 1059 is highest, sir. Now I am seeing 900 change today. It is also good, sir. But my observation, I am seeing the promoter holding is less, sir. Why? Because you are giving dividend and share price is increasing. Everything is good, sir. But the promoter holding is low. Please do well, sir. You are doing very well. You are holding this much of holding. You are doing this type of work, sir, to increase my company. If you hold 50%, I am not have words to tell my company is grow. In this way, please make promoter holding more, sir. And at least I want to tell you, sir, what is this meetings we are going, sir? 365 we are waiting for the annual meeting, sir. That also is virtual. What is, sir? Corona is left since 5 years, but we are not left for physical meetings, sir. Once in a year we can meet, that also will stop. It is not good for me, my side, sir. So I am requesting, please make AGM in physical. You can hear me?
Yeah.
Sorry for I have received a call. That is why I am asking. Sir, at least at last I want to tell make AGM physical mode, sir. This is my request, sir. And thank you, company secretary. You are giving link to and you are given this platform to tell my views in this way, because I can't tell my company MD sir for calling, sir, make AGM in physical mode. I can't tell. This is a right way that shareholder can speak with you, sir. I am very happy. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Ali. Now I request Mr. Reddappa Gundluru.
सर आवाज आ रही मेरी?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. First of all, my చైర్మన్ అవినాష్ రెడ్డి గారు, అవినాష్ చంద్ర సార్, గురునాథ్ రెడ్డి గారు, వెంకటేశ్వరి గారు, అతీం కార్లాజీ, and my company secretary T. Anjaneyal garu. Good afternoon, sir. Namaste. My name is Reddeppa Gunduru from Hyderabad. Sir, as a shareholder of Astra Microwave, I am very happy and proud, sir. We have very good memories in physical AGMs. Yes, sir. Send it to you, sir. Under leadership of Sri Narendra Modi ji, our Prime Minister, India is growing. My company is growing. Investors are growing. Wealth creating. Under your original leadership, sir, Avinash sir. Yes, sir, I received the annual report well in advance. I gone through the annual report. There is a wonderful figures, numbers, colorful pictures. Everything is in the right manner, sir. And also, I find there is a transparency, governance, world-class transparency and leadership of Mr. Anjaneyal garu. Special thanks, kudos to you, CFO sir, and other directors supporting Anjaneyal sir. Without your support, it's not possible, sir. Everywhere, Astra Micro, share price increasing, values increasing, orders are coming, sir. Chairman sir, in your speech, 3 decades strong R&D, sir. What effort, sir. Your lifetime, your time, your blood, everything set my company growth, sir. That's the reason we are creating the wealth to the investors, sir. It's not a simple thing, sir. It's a wonderful, amazing achievement under your leadership, Mr. Visionary leader of our company, Avinash sir. With support of all other directors. Sir, हमारा बजाज जी बोले थे इससे पहले more than 100% CAGR growth. जनरली बजाज सर अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते, लेकिन मेरे कंपनी में अप्रिशिएशन किए वो 105 companies. Yes, my company is delivered more than 105%. The net profit growth CAGR, wonderful, sir. Sir, and also the dividend payouts, sir. సార్ ఇందాక ఒక షేర్ హోల్డర్ మాట్లాడుతూ లో షేర్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఇంత కష్టపడి మాకు డివిడెండ్ ఇస్తున్నారే అని అడిగారు. ఎస్ సార్, మీరు ఎంత ఉన్నదని కాదు కదా సార్, మన సొసైటీకి ఏం కావాలి, మన కంట్రీకి ఏం కావాలి అనేది దాని గురించి ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు, కానీ నాకు ఏంటి అని స్వార్థం మీ దగ్గర లేదు సార్. యువర్ నాట్ ఏ సెల్ఫిష్, యువర్ ఏ విజనరీ లీడర్. యువర్ సొసైటీకి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు, మా కంట్రీకి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్. Since 1991 to 2024, sir, what a wonderful journey, what a wonderful the achievement, sir. Defense sector, ITR, DRDO, DRL, our products, especially Uttam Radar, EPTR, EPTM, Dristi, EWR, Doppler, Weather Radar. Sir, I gone to Pune, sir. There is a weather ki pedda undi, sir. Dani kuda మనం support చేస్తున్నాం. We are supporting that the solutions also. Growing defense sector, sir. Wonderful, sir. I don't have any words to more praising you, sir. Thank you for emerging space and all. Wonderful, sir. I would like to thank my company secretary, Anjaneyal garu. పర్సనల్ గా నేను 10 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం కలిశాను సార్. అప్పుడు ఎలాగైతే రిసీవ్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఇప్పుడు అలాగే రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటారు సార్. నిజంగా యథా తథా ప్రజ. అవినాష్ గారు ఏవైతే విలువలు నేర్పించారో, మరి ఫండమెంటల్స్ నేర్పించారో, ఆయన ఫుట్ ప్రింట్ లో మనం నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తున్నాం సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ కంపెనీ సెక్రటరీ. ఐ సపోర్ట్ ఆల్ ది రెజల్యూషన్స్ స్ట్రాంగ్లీ. I wish all the best for further India, sir. Please continue VC, sir. We can able to attend all over global, sir. Chennai madam also told, other channels also told, sir. We can మనకి బాగుంటుంది సార్ VC. Sir, here my question is, sir, next profitable growth ని ఇట్లానే కంటిన్యూ చేయడానికి what is your strong strategy plans to you are having, sir? This is my only one question, sir. Apart from this, I don't have any single question in financial, sir. Every cost control is wonderful. Everything is wonderful. So I'm not, I don't have much more to add, sir. Thank you so much. I wish good health to you, happiness to you, peace to you, entire board of directors, especially Avinash sir, and all other KMPs of mine. Without KMPs, the annual report not made, sir. So that's it. सबको मैं शुभकामनाएं, thank you, congratulations, healthy और peace में support करता हूँ, sir. मैं God को pray करता हूँ, मेरा कंपनी और अच्छा इंडिया में डिफेंस में और अच्छा उन्नति स्थिति में आना चाहिए, आएगा. Hopefully, we have faith on the board, trust on the board. 100% will achieve many more higher awards coming financial, sir. Thank you for patience hearing, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Reddeppa. Now I request Mr. Suresh Chand Jain.
Suresh Chandan, please unmute yourself.
आवाज आ रहा है सर?
Yes, sir.
आदरणीय
Please go ahead.
चेयरमैन सर, उपस्थित सभी डायरेक्टर गण और शेयर होल्डर साथियों, सर इस कंपनी का मैं बहुत ही पुराना शेयर होल्डर हूँ। HSC की लिस्टिंग के टाइम से ही मैं इस कंपनी से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और कई मीटिंग कभी पार्क लेन के अंदर भी अपनी मीटिंग हुआ करती थी, तब भी मैं कमल किशोर आया करते थे सर, और हमारे विचार हम आपके सम्मुख रखते थे। और आपका चेयरमैन इतना अच्छा और इतना जबरदस्त था सर कि आपका चेयरमैन के अंदर आपने कंपनी की पूरी रूपरेखा हमारे सामने रख देते थे सर, उससे हमें खुशी होती। और तब से अभी तक जैसा कि वैशिष्ट है सर, मैं उसके बाद एक शेयर नहीं बेचा। और सर मैं चाहूंगा कि आप जिस प्रकार कार्य कर रहे हैं उसकी मैं प्रशंसा करता हूं सर। क्या नाम है कंपनी से सर? मैं चाहूंगा अंजनाइलू जी अर्जुन की तरह सब कंपनी और डिफेंस के अंदर किस डिफेंस दिखता है और शेयरहोल्डर का प्रॉफिट दिखता है और कैसा शेयर होल्डर से बर्ताव किया वही दिखता है, उसी प्रकार कार्य करते हैं सब। मैं अंजन को आज से नहीं, कम से कम 15-20 साल से मैं उनसे परिचित हूँ सर। और एक ही जगह कार्य करते हुए हर एक आदमी को, हर एक स्टाफ को उन्हें जानते हैं, पहचानते हैं सर। और ज्यादा मैं अपने विचारों को विराम देता हूँ। आपने जो बोलने का शुभ अवसर दिया उसके लिए आपको बहुत 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 धन्यवाद देते हुए मैं बस भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करता हूँ आप इसी प्रकार कार्य करते हुए दिन दुनी रात चुपने तरक्की करते हुए। और सर एक चीज है सर, आप डिफेंस के अंदर कई लोग पूछे क्या करते क्या नहीं करते, सब ये भारत के खिलाफ नहीं होता सर। डिफेंस के बारे में अगर आज जो चीज बोलना है वही चीज बोलिए सर। बस इसी साथ मैं अपने विचार को विराम देता हूँ। आपने जो टाइम दिया धन्यवाद के साथ मैं।
Thank you, Mr. Suresh. Now I request Mr. Shahwat Ali Khan.
Yeah, hello. Good afternoon, sir. I am audible to you.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, giving me this opportunity as to speak as speaker shareholder. Sir, first of all, congratulate to our MD, sir. Our company has reached the new milestone of 1,000 crores. And sir, thank you so much, Mr. Anjanailu, sir. He is the face of our company secretary. His face. And sir, in the annual report I was seeing, I have received the annual report. In front page, our Anjanailu sir and CFO sir name is not there. And apart from I'm attending the 14 years I'm attending the annual general meeting. And sir, last time I have met with Anjanailu sir, he said our share price will increase. Last time I met, the share price was 380, 390. Now it's cost 900, sir. It is double digit. And sir, my small humble request, sir, from past 5 years, we can't be to MD, sir, and directors, to anyone. Just my request is to conduct one time physical meeting, sir, to meet you with us. And that is my small request, sir. And sir, Mr. Anjanailu sir has sent me the link, and his team and Mr. Amarnath also helped me to get the annual report and everything, sir. Wonderful management, sir. Wonderful secretarial department, and I wish you happy Ganesha Chaturthi, happy Dasera, and everything, sir, from myself. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to speak me as a speaker shareholder, sir. Thank you, Anjanailu sir. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Bharatraj K.
Just a minute, sir. Not available, sir.
Okay. The next speaker, Mr. A.B. Manisundaram. You search, sir, because he requested recent 1 day back.
Just a minute. Sir, A.V. Mani Sundaram is not available.
Okay. Whether Bharat Shah is available?
No, sir, not available.
Okay. Now I request Mr. S. Gurnath Reddy, MD, or Dr. M.V. Reddy, JMD, to answer the queries of shareholders.
Yeah, thank you, Anjaneyulu. And thank you all the shareholders for your time and sharing your views with us. I'll take some of the questions relating to the performance of the company and some financial data. Probably things relating to future business plans and all, probably my colleagues will take. Praful asked about the confirmation that whether we are likely to cross 1,000 crores next year. Yes, we confirm that we will be crossing 1,000 crores of sales next year. In terms of the profitability, the profit before tax will be around 16 to 18%, and the profit after tax will be about 13 to 14%. We have noted the observation of Badri Vishal Bajaj in terms of equity being small, and we have a huge amount of accumulated reserves. At the right time, we'll come out with plans to reward the shareholders. In terms of the order book, Srikanth Java asked whether we have any orders from Russia. No, we don't have any orders from Russia. We won't do any export business with Russian country. But otherwise, we do exports with Israel and other European countries. And whatever the order book we have today is from these countries. Afjal Ali has regarding promoters holding being low. Historically, this company's promoters holding is low. You are aware of this. And very recently, a couple of promoters have retired from active participation. So because of that, subsequent significant dilution has happened. And going forward, probably you have to take this company as a professionally managed company, and promoters holding continues to be low. But we assure you that we won't disappoint you, and the company will be taken to the new heights. Couple of shareholders are worried that Anjaneyulu name and CFO name is not there. I request all of you to refer to page number 25, where their names are very much prominently shown. Yeah, these are the questions which I thought of addressing. And some of the things relating to the new product development and what kind of a business strategy we have going forward. Mr. M.V. Reddy or Atim can take these questions.
Mr. M.V. Reddy?
I hope
Answer.
my audio is clear. Yeah, I hope my audio is clear.
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah. So this is regarding new business. New business in chairman's speech, it already mentioned that the radars which are we are undertaking development, photonics radars and some of the airborne radars, and also the seeker heads. These are all some of the few new programs which we are which we are taken up under development for the current financial year. And as far as the future roadmap is concerned, we are focusing both in radar and EW system. We have moved from subsystem systems, and we are continuously focusing on ground-based, airborne, and as well as and also airborne EW systems. which we have been addressing for the next 7 to 8 years. And based on that, in fact, we raised QAP document is clearly showing and what are our plan for the future. So this is as far as the future is concerned. And the other question someone has asked about the exports. As Mr. SG had mentioned, we exporting anything to this we have what our exports we have about close to 250 crores orders which, for the current year, majority Israel continent. Yeah, that's all the business side.
Mr. Hatem, you would like to say something, add anything?
I'll just add, thank you, sir. I'll just add that we actually see ourselves to be in the IP business, where we are creating IP, we are enhancing IP, and we are monetizing IP. Intellectual property is what is the bedrock for our company. And we are looking at collaborations with multiple companies, working together with other partners to take this process forward in the fastest possible time so that we can continue to deliver an excellent set of numbers to our shareholders. We are also focusing on creating products. I think in the speech, Chairman Sir had mentioned APS, etc. And these products, when they see the light of the day, they should be the foundation on which our company will be identified with by the market, by the shareholders, and by fellow journeymen. Okay, and towards that, I think our anti-drone product, which is coming out, will also be a key landmark. And I think we are on a good wicket out here, and I'm fairly optimistic about the future.
Thank you. I think with those words, I want to thank all the shareholders for taking the initiative for joining this meeting through video conference. I thank all directors and statutory auditor for joining this meeting from various places. I now authorize Mr. L.D. Reddy, scrutinizer, to conduct the e-voting procedure, and Mr. T. Anjaneyalu, company secretary, to conclude the meeting. With your consent, I and other board members would like to leave the meeting. I wish all members a healthy future, and we remain committed to our common cause. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anjaneyal garu, can we stop the recording and end session now?
No, concluding the meeting now. Concluding remarks, I will tell. The e-voting facility will remain open for next 15 minutes to enable those members who have not casted their votes who would like to cast their vote. The results would be announced on or before 1st September 2024. And the same would be intimated to stock exchanges and uploaded on the website of the company and CDSL. With this, I declare the 33rd AGM as concluded.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Anjaneyal garu.
Sir.
You are stopping the recording and ending the session now.
15 minutes అది e-voting ఉంటుంది కదా
అది ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఉంటుంది అది డిఫరెంట్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కదా అది
ఓకే సార్ ఓకే
Praveen, you can stop the recording and end session.